Hello everyone, I'm here today to discuss a delightful dilemma: how to plan a truly special and memorable dinner for my partner. The options are clear, but the best part to a romantic evening is not. After careful consideration of the three choices, going to a restaurant, cooking at home, or grabbing street food, I have family decided that option two. Buying an ingredients and preparing a special meal at home, either superior and most meaningful choice. I believe cooking at home because of two key advantages. Firstly, it's a profoundly more personal and heartfelt. A home cooked meal is a tangible expression of love and effort, while a restaurant offers great food. It's like a sour and intimacy of something created specially for my partner. Based on three favorites, these are preferences. This level of dedication is a simply secondly, we can embrace this control over the entire experience. I can ensure the phrases highlights quality and ingredient manage person sign. Firstly, the atmosphere is entirely ours. We can dim the light, choose our music, and enjoy uninterrupted conversation, which is something a busy restaurant simply cannot guarantee. Now, let's look at why the option for songs of being truly special. Option 1. Going a restaurant certainly provides convenience and authentic cuisine. However, it often comes with a significant financial cost and, more importantly, a lack of privacy. Option 3. Stalling around street food sounding fun and adventurous, but it is wholly inappropriate for a planned special dinner. The atmosphere is often chaotic, and the focus is on cramming a weak bite, not enjoy a leisurely intimate evening together. To conclusion, while three options provide food, only preparing a meal at home. Option 2 offer the ideal combination of romance, quality control, and sincere effort. It transforms a simple act of dining into a cherish. That's why the kitchen is where our special nights will be in. Thank you for listening.